we brought in another brand, and I always take my time doing that. Been speaking to EVOQUE for a while. They reached out to Ride the Wind. I wanted to make sure that they could be an importer supplier that could support us, and most importantly, support our customers for parts, warranty, all that good stuff. We got them in. We love them. They really are spectacular. They really, really are. So this is our first impression of it. I did a little ride. Why do we love it? Okay, so first thing is the batteries, the lithium batteries are removable, which is huge. So then you've got extra storage on top. It sits higher too. It's got a 17-inch rear wheel. And look at the cord on that, like the quality. And this is a watertight plug in there as well. We'll do a separate video on how to take that out. It sits higher. The screen on it is incredible. We got to take it out to top speed, but more videos to come. Look at your screen on that. It's just gonna, look at that. That's nice. That's really nice. It's, range. Yeah. Oh, that's cool too. I was like, so it's got percentage, a volt. Where's the voltage though?
It's 69%, but it doesn't really matter if you've got a range.
Yeah.
If it's taken into consideration how you're riding.
Yeah, like that. So the adjustable levers are a nice upgrade just because they've got like the buttons on it. It's got reverse. It's not making a, does it have a sound in reverse? No. Does it have reverse? Kickstand down?
Yeah.
Okay, so no kickstand switch. It's got reverse, 3-speed. We'll do a top speed later.
Adjustable short brake levers. I love this adjustment too.
Yeah, super easy. And it actually has quite a difference in it. This is a big thing too. They're paneling. They cover the whole battery box. So it just looks like more of a complete bike. They're $100 less than Emos in terms of batteries, 30, 50, and it comes in a 60, a one lithium battery, 60 amp hour. That's awesome. I'm trying not to swear. The rubber looks even better. The suspension. We'll do a side-by-side as well. We're super, super excited because you know that when I like something or when Darren, it's got Darren's approval, that it's great. Like we did not bring in E-Global, right?
No.
No, we did not bring in E-Global because the quality wasn't there. The price was high, all that stuff. So it's not like I just taken anything. This took some time. This actually took like 4 or 5 months back and forth, but I'm really, really excited to have this added to our lineup. So, and look at the carbon. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Fuck yeah. I had to swear. And then, so this is the carbon. What a gorgeous, it's actually a metallic, sorry, I said it was carbon. It's not. It's the flat black, but it's metallic. It's just, it's gonna mark up a little bit more, but who cares? It's gorgeous. Just clean it. So they come in a light gray, flat black, carbon, and then a mix. And the mix is gloss black with the carbon. But yeah, so here it is in real life. Gorgeous.